Now we want to see these on a chart. So click inside any pivot table and go to insert and go to recommended charts. So now it's showing you the number of percentage of male and female. So let's say I want a pie chart. So it's showing me a pie chart. Select it. I don't want these like shown on the chart, so I hide all buttons on the chart, and I want to change its type and color. So I like this color. Let's select it, and then go. If you click out of it, there is no design and analyze tab. If you click on it, there are three tabs added: analyze, design, format. So I want analyze tab or design tab, and I can select multiple types of chart from it. So let's say which is the most insightful of these charts. This one is attractive, but it's not showing me anything. Now it's showing me, but I want percentage. So sometimes there are a few problems that you want to tackle. So as percentage is the right uh, metric, so let's delete the absolute number column. Okay, right click on field and drag it out. So now we see our chart is showing us the percentage. So this one is cool. Okay, so we want new charts for the other metrics. So let's say average years in the company, go to insert, go to recommended charts, and it's showing us the average years in the company. So based on your range, the boundaries of your data, Excel automatically selects the scale. So hide all field buttons. And I don't want the scale to be shown on the chart and these grid lines or horizontal lines. So click on them and press delete. Click on the scale and press delete. So, and I want the numbers to be shown over the bar. So go to this plus sign and click on data labels, or you can click on data table as well. So there are other options as well which you can explore on your own. So I have this, and I can individually format these numbers or these chart titles. So click on those, go to home tab, increase their size, control B for bold or anything else, and you can change the chart colors. So let's select this, and similarly I want to insert a chart for the salaries. So similar chart, design, let's select a different one. Let's select this one, right click, hide values. Oh, press delete, click on total, press delete, average salary by gender. So we have another chart, click on plus sign, data labels, bold, and as I have grid behind it, so that is hindering my data label, so I want to fill the data label shapes. So let's fill it by, so let's select this, select the data labels, go to shape fill, and let's select white. So you see, I formatted it as per my preferences.